Hello, beautiful, delicious family. Today, let's create this client's peppered snail order together. Keep watching, don't skip. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let's watch to the end. Hey, don't sleep. Don't sleep. Oh yeah, wake up. So guys, the ingredients I'll be using for this peppered snail are very simple. I'll be using some red bell peppers and white onions. This particular client doesn't eat salt and seasoning cubes, so I'll be using more of the white onions. Just like I usually say, the white onions give your stew sauce this very sugary and sweet taste. So I will be blending this coarsely and boil it down to reduce the cooking process. What I'm doing here is just me frying my onions, but if you notice clearly, I have more than enough oil in my pan, and that's because I want to extract some of this flavored oil after this process. So don't worry, oil police, I got you covered. I'll be extracting almost 60% of this oil before adding my snails. So sorry I lost the clips of where I was parboiling this snail, but do not worry, I'll be leaving the instruction and the ingredients I used in the comment section and in the description box. Then I go in with my snails. I stir them to perfection to ensure that each snail has equal amount of sauce in them. And at this time, I'm just adding them into the already cooked peppered sauce. Guys, from now till you're done with this sauce, it's let's just say it takes the next 10 minutes and that's it. I add my cooked snails, just stir them together, stir them to ensure the sauce and the snails become friends. Then I add my carrots for more flavors. Stir this just to perfection. Before adding my green and yellow bell peppers for color and to also make this sauce look very rich. And our final garnishing is my red onions for that onion flavor, and then I stir everything in this dish to perfection. If you've not given this video a thumbs up, please do, and subscribe to my channel. And do not also forget that we will be going live 4:30 p.m. today. We have an interesting topic. I would love to see you there. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so once I go live today 4:30 p.m. you will be the first to get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you in the evening, kindly stay blessed and keep doing good.